Miles, you busy? I need...
Whatever it is, I'm down.
Need some help with a babysitting mission at the Rant.
Sounds fun. Fill me in on the way. Don't give me that look, Pops. I'm only taking a break.
Hola, mijo. How's the essay going?
It's going. I'm gonna head out, though. Pete called for some backup. We're just...
It's better if I don't know the details.
I'll be fine, Ma.
Espera un momento. You know how there have been a few nights recently where you've been working late, and so I also worked late? Well, I wasn't working. Don't give me that look. I'm not in any trouble. It's just, I've been going on some dates. Dating, actually.
Oh, right.
And there's this one guy. I've seen him a few times, and it's going well.
Ma, what are you asking me?
I'd like to have him over. For Bartelone.
I'm sure there's some spider stuff I can be doing. I can give you some privacy.
No, I'd like him to meet you. And I'd like you to meet him. But if you're not comfortable, I totally understand.
Ma, look, you had me at Bartelone. I'll see you.
Okay, después.
Better head to the raft. Maybe these wind tunnels can give me a boost. There's another one! I should catch that updraft! Whoa! I'm getting the hang of this! Another updraft! I should check the view. Love a windy day.
Hey, Miles, I'm just getting to the raft. You on your way?
Wouldn't miss it. Who we're babysitting?
MJ got a tip yesterday that Scorpion's being moved to Ravencroft. Not enough resources for him since Sandman became his roommate.
Scorpion can definitely throw a tantrum. I'll be there.
It's Danica. You are listening to the Danicast. Get this. Now the fastest growing podcast in New York. Hold on to your knickers, Jonah. It's coming for the crowd. For you new listeners, welcome. The Danicast is your spot for real takes on real news about real people. Did y'all hear about this train worker, Dennis, who single-handedly kept the trains running during the Sandman attack? main track control booth got cut off by a power failure, and he had to patch in from...
Hey, man. Glad you could make it.
Looks like I'm just in time.
Keep it moving, Gargan.
Ready for the next one.
Next one.
Thought we were just babysitting Scorpion today. Martin Lee. Miles. Miles.
It's fine. I'll be okay.
A little early for fireworks. We gotta go. Red, yellow. If these are...
Make sure the prisoners are secure! I'll take left.
Protect the ship!
Form up on me!
I really should have stretched.
Your head will make a fine trophy.
Whoa! Those blades are sharp! You must be new in town! Hi, I'm Spider-Man! In case you didn't know, these guys are bad news! Definitely want to keep them in prison!
Get out of our way! This does not concern you!
Alright, guess we can skip the welcome wagon!
Hit me! Make them bleed for that!
Get them out!
Right head down! hoping you knew!
I'll cover you! Keep them out of the ship!
On it!
Avoid his whips! Take out the defenses! Form up! Don't let them through! Overwhelm the guards and break down the door!
They're trying to get inside the ship!
They want Scorpion and Lee. We gotta stop them.
What are you, Vulture's kid?
Don't get distracted by the spiders! Our quarry lies within!
What do you even...
You will see, and it will be glorious!
Not liking the sound of that.
Get out of the way!
You seeing these guys? A lot of money and tech here.
Yeah, they're not messing around. Seem desperate to get their hands on Scorpion, Lee, or both. If those guys get free again,
Stay focused, Spider-Man!
Your presence is unexpected, insignificant.
man, who are you people? And where'd you even come from?
I'll give them one thing. They know what they want.
We are men, but we fight as one! Ready! Aim! Fire!
Spider-Man, how you doing?
You know that thing with the Hydra and more heads pop up? That!
We've got him on the ropes.
Can't mess with us.
You train!
I got the little one.
Little one, you better be talking about the other Spider-Man, because I'm a half-inch taller than him, at least.
Changing position!
Why didn't we know the raft was moving Lee?
Doesn't matter now. Let's just focus on taking these guys out, whoever they are.
Locked on!
What now?
We gotta get the ship free.
People inside are gonna drown.
I'll keep trying to get these things out. King Arthur makes this look so easy.
I got this.
There's more people inside!
Let me worry about them.
Spider-Man, you gotta get topside.
As soon as I get everyone clear.
You okay in there?
trying to get out. Looking for civilians on the way. It's bad, man. What happened out there? Did those guards get to safety? Hello? No signal. Better hurry up. Whoa! It's getting worse out there. Someone out there! Scorpion! He got out and he threw me in here! I'll get you out! Stay calm! I'll find another way! Electrical access. Sounds promising. Oh, Pete's got eyes on Scorpion. These guys have no idea who they're letting out. Still here! Promise! Oh, come on, backup power. Be here. Sweet! Water's rising. Can't get back the way I came in. The electrical current is powerful in here. Even I can feel it. I can't let it get to that guard. This amount of electricity will fry him alive. I need you to stay away from the water, okay?
Thanks a million, kid. But I saved you. Oh, really?
Can't be. No! Dad? This isn't real.
We have eyes on Scorpion.
Superhero. Maybe I'm just a guy who doesn't give up. Give up. Give up. Give up.
Miles.
Huh? Really? Wait. It's not safe.
Spider-Man! They got Lee! Scorpion 2! I'm after them now! Miles, do you think you can handle Lee? I can turn around right now! No! I got this! Go on! Are you sure? I can't let him near my family again! Not after what he did to my dad! I have to protect them! They need me, man! Nothing will happen to your family! Nothing! You got this! I'll be back soon! Got this!
Target sighted!
Right here.
Subdue the spider and retrieve Lee!
You're not taking him!
And you are naive.
Look out!
I don't know who you are, but you messed with the wrong city!
You cannot escape!
And you think I'm naive?
We stand right here.
Subdue the spider and retrieve Lee!
You're not taking him!
And you are naive.
I don't know who you are, but you messed with the wrong city!
You cannot escape!
And you think I'm naive?